Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Audi software using Audi Connect Store in vehicle menu, detailed guide step by step clearly. To update your Audi software using the Audi Connect Store in vehicle menu, begin by ensuring your vehicle is in a well-lit area with a stable internet connection. Start your vehicle and wait for the MMI system to initialize. Once the MMI is active, press the menu button located on the center console. Navigate to the Settings option using the MMI control knob. Select Updates from the Settings menu. Choose the Audi Connect Store option. If prompted, log in using your My Audi account credentials. Once logged in, select Software Updates. The system will check for any available updates for your vehicle. If updates are available, review the details presented on the screen. Select the desired updates for installation. After selecting the updates, confirm your choice to proceed. The system will begin downloading the updates to your vehicle. Ensure that your vehicle remains parked and running during the download process. Monitor the progress bar on the screen for an estimated time of completion. Once the download is complete, the system will prompt you to start the installation. Confirm that you want to install the updates when prompted. Your vehicle may automatically restart during the update process. Do not turn off the vehicle or MMI until the installation is complete. Upon completion, the MMI will notify you that the updates have been successfully installed. After confirmation, you can navigate back to the main menu. To verify the successful update, return to Settings and then to Updates. Check the software version listed to ensure it reflects the latest update. You have now successfully updated your Audi software using the Audi Connect Store and vehicle menu. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.